Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Channel. Today, we are going to visit a bank in Canada. You will hear a simple and natural conversation about opening a bank account and asking for help in English. Before we begin, here is today's question. What type of bank account does Alex finally choose? Listen carefully. See if you can find the answer. All right, let's begin. It's a beautiful morning today.
Yeah, the weather is much nicer than yesterday. I think so.
You don't sound very confident.
Honestly, I'm a little nervous.
Why?
I am thinking to open bank for myself.
About opening your bank account?
Yeah, I've been putting it off for days.
Why?
I keep using cash for everything. It's getting difficult.
Really?
Yeah, I can't pay for some things easily, and carrying cash all the time makes me uncomfortable.
Then opening a bank account is definitely the right idea.
I know, I should have done it earlier.
Better late than never.
I've never opened a bank account in Canada before.
That's completely normal.
What if they ask me something I don't understand?
Then simply ask them to repeat it.
I always forget I can do that.
Nobody expects you to speak perfect English.
I know, but I still worry.
Bank employees help new customers every day. You're not the first person to feel nervous.
I hope they're patient.
They usually are.
Good, because I may need a little extra help today.
That's exactly why I came with you.
Thanks, I really appreciate it.
Look, the bank is just across the street.
Oh, it looks much bigger than I expected.
Ready to go inside?
I think I'm ready now.
Great. Let's go open your first bank account in Canada.
Good morning, welcome. How can I help you today?
Good morning. My friend would like to open a bank account.
Certainly. Does he already have an appointment?
No, he doesn't.
That's perfectly fine. We can still help today if you don't mind waiting a few minutes.
That sounds great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please have a seat. I'll call you shortly.
That wasn't too bad.
See?
I thought they would ask lots of questions immediately.
Not yet.
My heart was beating so fast.
I noticed.
Really?
Your hands were shaking a little.
Oh no.
Relax. Nobody else noticed.
I hope not.
Everything is going smoothly.
I keep thinking I'll say something wrong.
If that happens, just smile and ask again.
That's easier said than done.
Maybe. What are you looking at?
These brochures.
They explain different bank accounts.
Wait,
What happened?
I think this says saving account.
Ah, it's savings account.
Savings account?
Yes.
I forgot the S.
That's okay. It happens.
I almost said it out loud.
Better now than at the desk.
True. Anything else confusing? This one says checking account.
Yes.
Does that mean someone checks my money every day?
No.
Seriously?
No, it's simply the everyday account people use for spending money.
Oh, I completely misunderstood that.
That's why we're reading together.
I'm glad you're here.
You'll remember it now.
Checking account.
Yes.
Checking account.
Perfect.
I'm starting to feel a little better.
Good. Confidence comes one step at a time.
I still hope I don't freeze when they call my name.
If you do, just take one deep breath.
One deep breath.
Exactly. Alex?
Oh,
That's you.
already?
Yep.
Okay, here we go.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
What would you like to do today?
I'd like to open a bank account, please.
Certainly. Is this your first bank account in Canada?
Yes, it is.
No problem. I'll explain everything step by step.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
May I see your passport and another piece of identification?
My passport is here.
Oh, wait. Is everything okay?
I can't find my second ID.
Take your time.
I thought I put it in this pocket. No, not here. Maybe this one. Oh, here it is.
Great. That happens quite often.
Sorry, I was getting nervous.
No need to apologize. Thank you. Everything looks fine.
That's a relief.
Now, I'll ask you a few simple questions.
Okay.
What is your current address?
Here, I wrote it down.
Perfect. That makes it easy.
I was afraid I'd forget it.
Good preparation always helps.
Thanks.
Are you working or studying in Canada?
I'm studying.
Great. Listen carefully. This next question is important.
Okay.
Would you like a checking account, a savings account, or both?
Both.
Yes.
I don't really know the difference.
That's okay. A checking account is for everyday spending. A savings account helps you save money.
Oh, I understand now. Wait, so I buy groceries with the savings account?
Actually, most people use their checking account for daily purchases.
Oh, I mixed them up again.
That's perfectly fine.
Sorry.
No problem at all.
This is harder than I expected.
You're doing well.
Really?
Yes, you're asking questions, and that's important.
That makes me feel better.
Would you like me to recommend an account?
Yes, please.
Based on what you've told me, I think a checking account is the best place to start.
A checking account. I remember now. Everyday spending.
Exactly.
Okay, I think that's the right choice.
Excellent. Let's continue with the application. Please read this form before you sign it.
Okay. There are so many pages.
Don't worry, I'll explain the important parts.
Thank you.
Please check your name and your address first.
My name looks right. Wait. Oh no.
What happened?
My apartment number is missing.
Let me check. You're right. We can fix that easily.
I thought I made another big mistake.
It's a very small correction.
That's a relief.
Please write the apartment number here. Done. Perfect. Now sign your name at the bottom.
Here?
One line lower.
Oh, I almost signed in the wrong place.
It happens more often than you think.
Really?
Yes.
Ha, I don't feel so embarrassed now.
Good. Everything is almost finished.
Already?
Yes. There's just one last step.
One more step.
Yes. We'll set up your debit card and choose your PIN number.
My PIN? Oh, I think I forgot the number I wanted to use.
That's okay. Take a moment and think about it.
Okay, I have one now.
Great. Let's finish everything. Everything is complete now.
Really?
Yes, your new checking account has been opened.
Wow, that feels good.
Here is your debit card.
Thank you.
Please keep it somewhere safe.
I will.
Your PIN should always stay private.
Only I should know it, right?
Exactly.
Got it.
You can also use our mobile banking app.
That sounds useful.
You can check your balance, transfer money, and pay bills.
Oh, that's much easier than I expected.
It saves a lot of time.
Great. I'll download it later.
Do you have any questions before you leave?
Just one.
Go ahead.
If I need help later, can I come back?
Of course. We're always happy to help.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too.
There you are.
I'm finally done.
How did it go?
Much better than I expected.
That's great.
I opened a checking account.
Nice.
I was nervous at first.
I could tell.
I even forgot where my ID was.
I wasn't surprised.
Then I mixed up checking and savings accounts.
But you understood in the end.
Yeah, a checking account is for everyday spending.
Exactly.
I don't think I'll forget that again.
See? Today wasn't only about opening an account.
What do you mean?
You also became more confident speaking English.
Maybe you're right.
No, maybe. You asked questions. You fixed your mistakes. And you finished everything by yourself.
Thanks. That means a lot.
Ready to celebrate?
Definitely.
Let's get some lunch.
Sounds perfect. Oh, wait.
What happened now?
My debit card.
What about it?
I thought I left it on the desk.
Check your wallet first.
Oh, it's already inside.
Classic Alex.
I really need to relax.
You'll get used to everything soon.
I think so too.
Come on.
Thanks for helping me today.
Anytime. I hope today's story helped you learn useful banking English for Canada. Do you remember today's question? What type of bank account did Alex finally choose? Write your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Easy English channel for more slow and easy English stories. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.